Hi guys, meet my body. Maliit lang to siya guys. Ipi-play natin siya. Guys, ito yung speaker natin guys. Cute siyang speaker. So, i-ano natin siya, ipi-play natin. Turn on.
Power on.
Cute siya guys. Then, go to the Bluetooth to the other cell phone. Bluetooth tayo guys. Hanapin natin yung nakakonect siya. Device. Little fun. Go. Pair. Connected. Then, play tayo ng music. Music na pang hindi copyright lang. Maliit lang siya. Ita-try natin yung ano niya, yung voice niya. Kung maganda ba yung sound track niya. So, yan. So, ito yung nabili ko. Ano, magkano to? Kalimutan ko. I forgot the price, but yeah. No copyright. No copyright. So, full volume natin to guys.
This is the mix of DJ Wiz.